This 2026 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a Cashmere interior, sleeps 2, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, TV, microwave, refrigerator, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.